Well, the sun is out momentarily, but I'm going to go for a walk right away. But it's one of those days, and here, this is the kind of day that we've all banged our heads against posts once in a while when we get frustrated with things. But here's an example of what I'm talking about. Well, hello everyone. Well, it finally stopped raining and stuff. Yesterday was Saturday. I took Saturday off. And so, of course, it's Sunday today. Thought we'd do a little walk and talk. Here, I'll just give you not too far from the house, but just a little bit of a view of the area here. There we go. So anyways, just to keep you updated on what's been going on over the past couple days. While our car has a gas leak. So I got under there and looked at it. Normally I do how-to videos. If you've been to my channel, I have a lot of info on there. But anyways, I could probably take care of this myself, but I'm not going to. Because these days, fuel lines, they're all corroded. And they have different fittings on everything. I was going to replace with, rubber line, but it runs right along the exhaust system. It makes no sense. So, and I don't have the proper things to make proper fittings and whatnot, so leave that alone. Anyways, but they're going to charge you. I'm sure it's going to be like $1,000 to fix like 4 feet of fuel line. Ridiculous. Shop rates here in Canada, just so you know, $100 an hour. So I'm going to imagine, I don't know, 2 hours minimum, probably. So that'd be 200. And they're going to charge you, the parts are going to be like, for whatever reason, somehow they'll justify it'll be 200 plus 200, so 400. Plus we'll add in some shop materials. So then we'll be up to 600. Add in our massive taxes, 700. And just to be cautious, I would add in another 300 for planned expenses. So, wow, I don't know. I'm pretty sure. I bet it'll be like $1,000. I'll let you know, of course, in future video. Now, I'm not sitting here bitching and whining and playing a violin. I'm just telling you. I know we all have these struggles, so just so you know, I guess my point is, yes, all of us have these issues, and you're not alone, so don't worry about it. So anyways, I think I'll start heading back. And on the lighter side of things, well, a lot of birds are around these days. And today, the turkey vultures are back. If you don't know what those are, look them up. Maybe down the road I'll get some pictures. We take a lot of pictures of the wildlife and stuff around here, like birds and stuff. And have a few deer pictures. That's pretty much about the extent, but a lot of different kinds of birds go through here. So I'll get some pictures of that. A falcon flew over me today. It was nice to see. And, just imagine every other bird that's sort of around in North America. They've been by here. Yeah, so there you have it. I think just a short video, and I'll keep you updated on the car situation. And plus the other issue I'm working on with the trying to get that services at home funding rebate. I'll hear back on Monday about that, and we'll go from there. So anyways, keep on keep moving along. Don't let stuff get you down. I try not to let it bother me, but sometimes you get these expenses and you have to bite the bullet, and I don't know. It's not fun, but gotta do it. Anyways, take care everyone. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Give you an update.